Have you ever stood in a garden at dusk, watching the first stars appear? It's a moment of peace that connects us to something far greater. We often think of Earth and the universe as separate, but the truth is, they're deeply linked. Every day our planet is showered with invisible cosmic dust, a gentle, constant rain that settles everywhere, even in our gardens. This dust has traveled millions of years across the solar system, surviving a fiery descent to rest in our soil. Mixed with the Earth beneath our feet are particles from comets and asteroids, carrying the building blocks of other worlds. This isn't fantasy. It's a real physical connection between our gardens and the cosmos. Science is now exploring how this celestial dust might be nourishing life on Earth. Could the health of a flower in your backyard be linked to ancient events in the asteroid belt? The universe, it turns out, is not just a backdrop. It's an active participant in the life of our planet. The next time you hold a handful of soil, remember, you're holding a piece of the stars. Our world is, quite literally, touched by the cosmos. Earth is constantly gaining weight. About 40,000 tons of cosmic material fall to our planet each year. Most of this arrives as fine, nearly invisible meteor dust, not dramatic meteorites. This dust comes from comets shedding debris and from asteroids colliding in the belt between Mars and Jupiter. Each speck's journey is epic, drifting for millions of years, then plunging into our atmosphere at incredible speeds. Larger pieces burn up, but the tiniest particles slow down and settle gently on Earth's surface. This process happens everywhere, on ice sheets, in oceans, and in the soil of our gardens. Scientists collect pristine samples in Antarctica and study how this dust becomes part of deep-sea sediment and fertile land. For billions of years, this cosmic delivery has quietly connected our world to the wider solar system. It's a slow, patient process, an ongoing exchange between Earth and the universe. Our planet's geology is shaped not just from below, but from above. The next time you see a shooting star, remember, its dust may soon nourish life below. The universe is always reaching out to us, and we are always receiving. What exactly is this dust from the sky? It's a remnant of the solar system's birth, over 4.5 billion years ago. These particles are made of rock-forming minerals, mainly silicates like olivine and pyroxene, rich in iron and magnesium. Many are chondrites, containing tiny spheres called chondrules, some of the oldest solids in the solar system. Unlike Earth rocks, meteor dust hasn't been melted or weathered. It's a direct sample of primordial material. It contains not just common elements, but also trace elements vital for life. Each particle is a time capsule, telling the story of our solar system's origins. By studying meteor dust, scientists learn about the conditions that formed our planets, and us. The same elements in this dust make up our world, our bodies, and the plants in our gardens. The rain of meteor dust today is a faint echo of our cosmic beginnings. We are, quite literally, made of stardust. Every handful of soil is a link to the universe's past. The cosmos is in our backyard. The real magic happens when we look at what meteor dust brings to our soil. Plants need more than just nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. They rely on micronutrients like iron, magnesium, manganese, copper, and zinc. Without these, plants struggle to grow and fight disease. Meteor dust is rich in these essential elements, especially iron and magnesium. As the dust weathers in the soil, rain, plant roots, and microbes help release these minerals. The nutrients dissolve in soil water, ready for plant roots to absorb. This is a slow, steady, natural enrichment. Unlike artificial fertilizers, it's a gentle, ongoing process. For millions of years, cosmic dust has quietly replenished soils, especially where native rock is poor in certain minerals. It's a form of natural fertilization on a global scale. The stars have been feeding Earth all along. Our gardens thrive, thanks in part to gifts from space. The universe is a silent gardener. Let's look closer at the minerals meteor dust delivers. Iron and magnesium are the stars. Iron is crucial for chlorophyll, and magnesium is at the heart of photosynthesis. Meteor dust, rich in minerals like olivine and pyroxene, supplies these nutrients as it breaks down in soil. Even small amounts of phosphorus in meteor dust add up over millions of years, helping plants grow and reproduce. Trace elements like nickel, cobalt, and sulfur are also present, each vital for plant health. This cosmic dust acts as a natural, balanced soil conditioner, a multivitamin for Earth's ecosystems. It's not just one or two nutrients, but a whole suite, delivered slowly and steadily. The green of our world owes much to this cosmic supplement. The universe provides in ways we're only beginning to understand. Our soil is richer than we ever imagined. Can meteor dust really fertilize plants? Science says yes. Studies of ancient sediments show that periods of high meteor dust coincide with ocean life booms, likely due to extra iron-fertilizing phytoplankton. In labs, scientists add meteorite dust to soil and watch plants grow stronger, greener, and healthier. Plants in meteorite-enriched soil absorb more key micronutrients like iron and magnesium. These nutrients are bioavailable. Plants can use them. The concept of cosmic fertilization is now a measurable reality. More research is needed. Which meteorites work best? How much to use? And what are the long-term effects? But the evidence is clear. Cosmic dust can boost plant growth. The stars are helping us grow, even today. The universe's influence is real, and it's in our gardens. Could we one day farm with stardust? The idea is compelling. Meteor dust's slow-release nutrients could restore depleted soils and improve crop yields, especially where micronutrients are scarce. Unlike fast-dissolving fertilizers, meteor dust releases nutrients gradually, reducing runoff and pollution. The challenge is supply. Cosmic dust is spread thin across the planet, and meteorites are rare. The solution? Mimic meteor dust by creating synthetic rock powders based on its composition. This approach could offer a sustainable, holistic alternative to modern fertilizers. Large-scale trials are needed to prove its value and cost-effectiveness. If successful, we could farm in harmony with nature's own cosmic process. The future of agriculture might just be written in the stars. Stardust could help feed the world. Our knowledge of meteor dust could shape humanity's future on the Moon or Mars. Astronauts will need to grow food in alien soils, lunar and Martian regolith, which is mineral-rich but lifeless. These soils are similar to meteor dust, containing silicates and essential elements like iron and magnesium. The challenge is unlocking these nutrients for plants. On Earth, water and microbes break down minerals. Future space gardeners could mimic this by grinding regolith finer and adding water and beneficial bacteria. Organic waste from the crew would help build up soil structure and fertility. Mars and the Moon are untapped sources of the same material that fertilizes Earth. Our experiments with meteorite-enriched soil are paving the way for space agriculture. One day, astronauts may eat tomatoes grown in Martian soil, thanks to what we've learned from cosmic dust. The universe is teaching us how to garden anywhere. Stardust could help us thrive on new worlds. From a quiet garden to the asteroid belt and Mars, our journey reveals we're deeply connected to the cosmos. The universe is not distant. It's part of our daily lives, sending a steady rain of ancient dust to enrich our world. The iron in a rose petal or the magnesium in grass may have traveled millions of years from space. Our soil is a living record of geological and astronomical history. This knowledge inspires wonder and responsibility. By understanding these cycles, we can farm more sustainably and care for our planet. The soil is not just dirt, it's a bridge to the stars. Next time you're in your garden, look up and remember. The sky and the earth are connected. Stardust is falling all around, nurturing life in ways we're only beginning to see. We are children of the cosmos, living in a garden tended by the stars. The universe is, and always has been, in our backyard.